Shopify Compare App. The Shopify Compare app allows customers to compare multiple products side by side, helping them make smarter buying decisions. It's especially useful for stores that sell similar items like electronics, clothing, or accessories, where shoppers want to see key differences such as features, specifications, or pricing before purchasing. This app integrates seamlessly with your Shopify store and automatically displays comparison buttons on product pages. It offers customizable comparison tables, highlights key differences, and supports mobile-friendly layouts. These features improve user experience and increase sales by reducing confusion during product selection. Many Shopify sellers use Compare apps to enhance trust and make their stores look more professional. For instance, online tech and fashion stores commonly use this feature to help customers evaluate products efficiently, which leads to higher satisfaction and conversions. It's a great way to add value to your Shopify store without complex setup. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to advanced product comparison tools, analytics, and optimization features that help you boost engagement and drive confident purchase decisions.